When your ears feel blocked, it's natural to want a quick fix. Many people turn to cotton buds, ear candles, or home kits. But how do these DIY methods really compare to professional ear cleaning? The main issue with DIY methods is that they're often done without visibility. You can't see what's happening inside your ear, which makes it easy to push wax deeper or even cause irritation. Cotton buds, in particular, are known to compact earwax rather than remove it. Ear candles are another option some people try, but they're not recommended and can be unsafe. Even home irrigation kits can be tricky to use correctly without proper guidance. Professional ear cleaning, on the other hand, is carried out by a trained audiologist using specialized equipment. At Hearing First Barnet, techniques like microsuction allow for safe and precise removal under direct vision. This level of control significantly reduces the risk of damage and ensures that the wax is removed effectively. In most cases, the entire procedure is completed in one visit with immediate results. Another key difference is safety. The ear canal is delicate, and improper cleaning can lead to discomfort, infection, or even injury. Professional treatment is designed to avoid these risks entirely. If you're weighing up your options, it's clear that professional ear cleaning offers a safer, faster, and more reliable solution than DIY methods. For those in Barnet, choosing expert care can make all the difference when it comes to protecting your hearing.